To set a song as a ringtone on a Redmi A7 Pro, you have to start by opening the settings. Right now scroll to the sound and vibration, and right now you will have to go for ringtone. Now, as you can see, you can set ringtone for each of your SIM card if you want by clicking, for example, over here. Now you will be redirected into the theme store and you can use pre-installed ringtones. So here you can find all default ringtones, but of course we are looking for a custom one, so go for local ringtone. Now click accept to basically get access into your files and search for your downloaded file. So for me it will be in the music or audio files, I just don't remember right now. It's not here, so probably it will be in the audio files. And it's here, so I have to click on it, and right now I have to click apply, click OK to select this ringtone, and as you can see right now I just set this for my first SIM card, and when you tap on it you can hear how it sounds